How to add time zone on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the settings, and now you can see there is search bar at very top, so you need to search for the reason. So let's say now you can see there is a reason at very top, so once you tap on it, you need to change your region from here. So let's say if you want to change your time zone to another country, let's say USA, so simply enter USA in here and just tap on it or select the specific one. And once everything's done, simply open your MT5 and your time zone will be completed successfully or changed successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to change your time zone on MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.